Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off likes in Instagram. Instagram has recently added new features for users concerned about like on their news feed. If you want to get rid of the likes altogether, you can also turn off the likes and view count features from your follower post. First step is open Instagram app. Tap on your profile tab from the bottom right hand, then navigate to the menu at the right top, three horizontal line, tap here, then tap settings is the first option, then tap privacy is the third option, and find a post option and tap this find option. Turn on the hide like and view count toggle button on the post page. You can now turn off likes from other posts on Instagram. If you change your mind, then you can undo the action by toggle the hide likes and view count option off.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.